Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best deweisn travel mirror on the market, the deweisn Compact Mirror. A lighted travel makeup mirror designed for those who want convenience, precision, and style all in one compact package. This mirror is built with a sleek black finish and a modern design that fits perfectly in your handbag or even your pocket. Measuring just 4 inches in diameter and weighing less than half a pound, it's incredibly portable without sacrificing functionality. What really sets this mirror apart is its double-sided design, featuring a 1x true reflection mirror on one side and a 10x magnifying mirror on the other. The 1x mirror is perfect for everyday makeup application, offering a clear and natural view, while the 10x magnification allows for detailed tasks, like applying eyeliner, mascara, or even blackhead removal, helping you see every fine detail with clarity. Lighting is another strong suit of this mirror. It's equipped with 56 high-brightness LED lights that offer 3 different color modes: warm light, natural light, and white light. Whether you're in a dimly lit room or outdoors, you can easily adjust the brightness and switch between light colors with just a touch. The dimmable feature lets you customize the lighting to suit your environment and makeup needs, ensuring you always have the perfect glow to work with. One of the most convenient features is the built-in rechargeable 600 mAh lithium battery. This means you don't have to worry about replacing batteries or carrying extras. Charging is straightforward via a USB cable, compatible with power banks, laptops, or standard 5V chargers. On a full charge, the mirror's lights last for about an hour, which is plenty for touch-ups on the go or when you're traveling. Made from durable ABS material and premium mirror glass, the deweisn Compact Mirror is designed to be scratch-resistant and flame-retardant, so it's both safe and long-lasting. Its polished finish gives it a premium feel that makes it more than just a utility item, it's a stylish accessory. This mirror is truly versatile and ideal for a variety of situations: daily makeup routines, travel, quick touch-ups, or even detailed skincare tasks. Because of its compact size and smart features, it's especially great for those who need a reliable mirror in their purse or travel bag without bulk or hassle. In summary, the deweisn Compact Mirror offers excellent magnification options, bright and adjustable lighting, rechargeable convenience, and a sturdy, stylish design, all packed into a lightweight, portable form factor. If you're looking for a travel makeup mirror that combines function and form seamlessly, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.